It was an evening in late February 2026 when there was a lot of commotion outside of our apartment. I went to investigate and found that it was a Chinese New Year street market. So, let me show you what I found. After watching some of the dancing show, we took a walk and found the local dragon, which had been decorated and lit up very nicely. It was then time for one of the Mortal Kombat characters to start preparing for his fire show. The local law enforcement were enthralled, and a large crowd started to draw. I think I may have lost my eyebrows at that stage. But it was time for the show to go on. The fire show was finished, and I decided that was worth a tip. It was time to go and have a look at what food was on offer in the local market. Starting with candy floss, and then an array of roasted duck. There was many types of food on offer, and loads of people were very friendly, sharing a smile and happy to see us. I wish I could give you an explanation of all the different food types that I saw on this walking tour. But if I'm completely honest, I don't know what 99% of them are. Apart from this one. This is chicken pad thai, and it was delicious. Those are crab's pincers, deep fried.
Oh wow. Long.
A lot of the food on offer didn't look very appetizing to me. But that didn't stop the crowds. Most people seemed to enjoy what they were getting. And your guess is as good as mine as to what that is.
สวัสดีครับ
I got the feeling that some of the locals who lived on the street were taking advantage of the footfall and had decided to set up their own car boot sale outside their house. Why not? There were stalls with arts and crafts. Here you can see calligraphy of Chinese writing. There were many local performers. But it was time for me to go back home with chicken and yellow noodle dish and French fries. Well, thank you for watching, and if I don't see you before, I'll see you on the road.